Okay, my name is Sean Gallegos. I had the knee replacement 4 weeks ago by Dr. Ferris, and I'm doing pretty good right now. Well, it's 3 or 4 months I was having trouble with knee pain. I play a lot of golf, and it got to the point where I needed to do something about it. I was concerned about doing it over again, but I'm glad I did now. I had a couple referrals from other patients that where I live at the Villages, and it's a golf community, and the gal that works in the office referred me to Dr. Ferris, and then my ex-wife had her hip done by Dr. Ferris, and she referred Dr. Ferris to me, so I came and met with Dr. Ferris, and I was convinced. I was there for 6 or 7 days, and then I went home and I started therapy the week after that, and I was trying to swim, but she told me to hold off till the scar healed. Incredibly, before it was, I had trouble sleeping, trouble walking, trouble when I was playing golf, but I was so into it that I kept doing it, But hopefully now, when I start playing, I've been doing stuff that, without asking, I've been chipping and putting and hitting a few balls, and hopefully Wednesday will be my first round and see what happens. Very excited because I love playing golf, and I'm very, very active, and I like to swim 2 or 3 times a week, and I do a little weight training, and now that I'm going to be able to do this, it's fabulous. It's incredible. I give all the credit to Dr. Ferris for doing the surgery that she did. I would definitely recommend Dr. Ferris to anybody else that needs any kind of hip or knee or back surgery or whatever.